that I'm in Quito through customs. A little burnt, you can tell by yesterday. I just exited the baggage check. My bag literally took 2 minutes to get through, which is good. And then you have to cross over here. There's a building right across the street on the ground level where apparently you can buy SIM cards and food. So I'm gonna look at that because they have someone hawking SIM cards right beside the baggage claim. Now, the cost of a tourist SIM card is that supposed to be $25 US, it's your 2 gigabytes and like all the calling and stuff. However, they were charging $35 US there. So I think I'm gonna just walk across the street and just talk to a non-sketchy person to buy from. I found the Claro store, however, it's obviously closed. So no luck on this cell phone SIM card at the airport. You need to arrive anytime after 9 a.m. apparently. I found that out. So I think I'm just gonna wing it to my hotel from there. Oh, One Bulb has such great coffee. So I was gonna take the bus back here. It's about $9 US, but you still have to catch another taxi that's north of the town, so you're gonna spend another $10 anyways. So rather than do that, I just got myself an Uber because I can save the American cash direct thing there. It's only $27 an Uber. My problem is, the first Uber I requested, sat there for 15 minutes. The guy didn't even leave the frickin' parking lot, so I'm at the mercy of Wi-Fi as well, remember. So got my second Uber here. Let's see if he arrives. I think this is him right here. Yeah, the stability of this, it's actually pretty solid. It just squeaks. This was the part that looked actually really scary, but seeing it here in person, it does not look so bad. I'm pretty sure you're supposed to be using 2 hands, but so that was the Basilica del Voltra Nacional, National Citadel. Definitely recommend you check that out and go up. It's only $2, and that's one of the best photo spots in all of Quito so far. Time to hit up some more final views of the night sky this time. Apparently this is one of the best spots to see sunset. I think we're hitting that 0 hour. Let's go. Holy shit, 20 minutes. They didn't say 10 of it was uphill. It's not that high of a climb, but because I've only landed here this morning, short of breath. These stairs. Update. The remaining 10 minutes were also uphill. Just a giant gradual slope. But I think I've arrived. We're about midway up the mountain. So this view should be well worth it. Mosaico right here. It's got the mosaics obviously, and it looks a little bit more rustic. Took me a second to translate this. I thought Abierto was closed, but that's actually opened. Second floor. Let's go up. And here's my burrito. The sunset. I got this because it was the cheapest thing on the menu and I'm not that hungry. It's only $10, everything else is close to 20, but look how big that is, shoot. Alright, just got back in the hostel. Got one of these on the way home, $1, because ice cream, who doesn't love ice cream? Lucky this place has a good patio too, so I'm gonna sit here, eat my ice cream, and then I'm gonna have a cup of tea, and then just hit the hay, because I'm freaking exhausted. I wanna get a solid 8 hours in a row for the first time in 4 days, I think.